Q4, you've got 90 days left to prove yourself. That's it. Q4 is not about hoping, wishing, or praying. It's about execution. And right now, sloppy pipelines and bad prioritization are killing reps everywhere. Today, I'm giving you the survival guide to make every single deal count in the final stretch. 4 tips that will guarantee success in Q4. And number 1 is probably the most important one. So let's start with the obvious, your pipeline. Most reps are guilty of carrying what I call pipeline fiction. Pretty much like Pulp Fiction, but without the guns. Deals that look good on paper, but will never close before year end. And I've seen careers sink because of it. So here's the test. Ask yourself, will this deal realistically close in 2025? If the answer is no, cut it. Push it to the next year or kill it. We once did a pipeline review for the team where we had 20 million in pipeline. That looked really good. But when we started digging into it, about 70% of that was vaporware. Opportunities in Salesforce that was put as placeholder and not real opportunities. A couple of months later, some of the reps along with the sales manager were let go. So get a clean pipeline. 2, not all deals are created equal. Some will fly, some will crawl, some will die. And your job in Q4 is to double down on the flyers. What makes a fast mover? You need to look for 3 things. Urgency, budget, and executive sponsorship. If they're not there, stop wasting time. You need to remember that all deals require the same level of attention and effort, despite the deal size. You might need to work as hard for a 20K deal and a 200K deal. And if you have too many unqualified deals distracting you, you are on the wrong path. So focus on the fast movers. 3, here's a mistake that a lot of reps make. They treat closing like a one-day event. It's not. Closing is a process of building momentum through micro commitments. You need to think about it every time you leave a call without a next step. Your deal slows down. And in Q4, slow deals are dead deals. I work with an amazing AE that makes sure that every single meeting ended with a clear action. Connect with procurement, bring in the CFO, review the ROI model, and when the final negotiation came, it was not a debate, it was a formality. That deal closed in weeks instead of months because he created that momentum that never died. And 4, and probably the most important point, we need to talk about you. Time is the one resource you cannot get back. In Q4, you need absolute discipline. Block time every day for revenue-only activity, respecting deal reviews, customer follow-ups. I guarantee this, the reps who treat their calendar like a weapon are the ones who hit quota. The reps who get lost in admin and distractions are the ones updating their LinkedIn in January. Look, this is survival season. You need to clean your pipeline, focus on fast movers, build momentum, and own your time. And that's how you finish strong. So drop Q4 in the comment if you're ready to make every single deal count. I'll see you in the next one. Make a strong Q4. See you around.